Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can import files to CapCut PC. So just going to open your CapCut apps and tap on start creating. So waiting for opening and just click import. To import your files, so just select your videos, photos and audios that you want to edit. For instance, just click open and just drag here to make a clip, and you can also check out the preview panel, timelines and a toolbar feature here. So after you finish editing the video, you can click the export button in the top right corner. So just it's very simple, it's basic, and I think this especially for those of you who are using CapCut for the first time. So if you find it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.